Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm a fitness intern here at the Beacon. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a bench with a progression and regression. The first lift we're going to get into today is bench, and so I'm going to start on the bench itself. This lift consists of 5 contact points, and those are going to be both of our feet planted to the ground. Our hips, upper back, and head are going to be planted to the bench, and then both of our hands are going to be on the bar. I'm going to get under the weight, making sure my eyes are in line with the bar. I'm going to come back to my 5 reference points. So both feet planted, hips on the bench. I'm going to activate those glutes, making sure I have a small arch in my lower back, have my shoulder blades on the bench, pinching those together, and I have my head on the bench. I'm going to grab the bar just outside of my shoulders, making sure my wrists are not bent but are straight and perpendicular with the bar. I'm going to lift the weight up over my chest, bring it down to my sternum, and as soon as I make contact with my body, I'm going to push the weight up to the sky. The progress version of a bench press today is going to be a bench press with tempo. So that means we are going to go for time in the lift. So we're going to do a 5-2-1 tempo, which means I'm going to descend the weight for 5 seconds. I'm going to hold it at my chest for 2, and then I'm going to push up for that last second. This will activate our slow and fast twitch muscle fibers, which will in turn help us gain power and strength in our bench press. So we're going to set this up the same way we would bench. We're going to remember our 5 contact points. So both of our feet planted to the ground, our hips, upper back, and head on the bench, and then both of our hands on the bar itself. So I'm going to lift the weight up, bring it over my chest, and then I will descend for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 2, 1, 2, and then push up for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1. A regress version of the bench press is going to be the bench press with dumbbells instead of the bar. And so what this will do is reduce our load, making it easier to move the weight with correct form. And so we are going to set this up just like a regular bench press. We are going to lay on our back. We're going to remember our 5 points of contact. So both of our feet, our hips on the bench, glutes activated so we have a slight arch in our lower back. Our shoulder blades are going to be pinched back, and I'm going to have the weight to my sides, making sure my forearms are in a straight line upwards and my elbows are going to be a little below a 90-degree angle. I'm going to push the weight up and control it as I come back down to the sides of my body. Push up.